so glad you asked that question, because I feel that trust has never been more important in business as it is today. And I say that because I believe that we currently live in a vacuum of trust. And that's not just me saying stuff. When we look at things like the Edelman Trust Barometer, a global study of trust among consumers, what we find are historic lows in our trust in government, our trust in politicians, our trust in media, journalists, the whole information landscape, our trust in NGOs, even our trust in one another. There was a study done recently that looked at trust levels in society amongst a number of countries. I think there were about 15 different countries that they went out and surveyed. And they found that the vast majority of Americans, for example, fundamentally do not trust their fellow citizens. So we live with this terrible deficit in our lives of unspent trust. And I think as human beings, we desperately want to put that trust in something or someone or some institution. We want to believe that somebody has our best interests at heart, right? Um, and so it's never been more important for brands and businesses to be investing in and emulating what I call radical trust. So it's not just a matter of saying, is our product trusted? Are our policies regarding our product, our return policies and things of that nature, are they trusted? Are we a trusted brand? Radical trust is saying, are we trusted intrinsically on every single level? In every single market action we take, whether that's with a consumer, with a vendor, with a community of operation, are we fundamentally trusted? And the reason that that's important is because trust isn't just a vibe, it's a currency. And it's an incredibly valuable form of capital. If you have that high level of just unassailable trust, it actually lowers your cost of borrowing as an organization. It actually allows you to charge a premium for your stock, and your stockholders become far more forgiving if you do have a bad quarter. It retains your customers for longer. It retains your employees for longer if they trust you. So, people like Warren Buffett, who just retired from Berkshire Hathaway after 60 years, recognize that trust is this, it's sort of this sort of mythical form of capital that can win you all kinds of benefits in the marketplace. But in order to maintain that kind of trust, you have to be extremely vigilant in every aspect of what you do. You have to insist on the highest standards of integrity and operation within your business. You have to, have very clear codes of conduct in all your relationships across the supply and value chain. But trust is key today.